I made you some to-do lists.
Eliminate your to-do list. Haven Lighting makes decorating for any occasion simple. No ladders, no tangled wires, and no more to-do lists. Just beautifully customized lighting in seconds. Whether it's a holiday celebration, a backyard party, or a simple get-together, Haven Lighting helps you skip the prep work and get straight to the fun. Click below to see how Haven Lighting can help you eliminate your to-do list.
I just have a couple things for you to do.
Okay. Or not.
Good morning. Did you put up the Christmas lights yet? Hey, did you take down the Christmas lights yet? It's July. Good morning. I made you a to-do list. Hey, Sweet Pea, I made you a to-do list. Good morning, sunshine. I just have a few things for you to do.
3, 2, 1, drop.
Hey, I've got a hair appointment. If you could just do a couple things for me, I made you a list.
Oh.
Hey, good morning. Did you put up the Christmas lights yet? Did you get the backyard ready for the barbecue?